Everybody's been happy with it. I can pretty much call anytime that we're on shift 8 to 5 if we have an issue or we need something to order. Everything comes in a timely fashion order. I haven't really heard any negative feedback with anything that we use. My name is Christopher Brown. I'm a sergeant here at the South Oldham Fire Department. So what that means is my job is to drive and maintain the fire apparatus. And then our shift is in charge of station maintenance and station cleanliness, making sure that everything's ordered. Before the firehouse switched over to State Chemical, a lot of the issue was guys would just go get something random, mixing the bottles. We were having issues with guys putting bleach in spray bottles, and then that was getting on clothes. So I think now that everything's labeled, you know this is for this. I think that really helps when you pick up the spray bottle, you look at it and say, all right, this is what we're going to use for this. And you're not giving them a choice. You're just giving them that option, and that's what to go with. So it made it a whole lot easier in that aspect. We went to the DB34, helping us clean the bathrooms, keeping that a lot better, especially with just the amount, like I said, the amount of people coming in and out. So we couldn't ask for anything better. So I'd say the biggest thing is where we are community-based. We have a community room downstairs. So just the amount of people in and out of the bathrooms, in and out of that community room downstairs. So it is a constant daily cleaning. So it is a very heavily usage type of area. Cleaning of that community room, sweeping the floors, mopping the floors, just trying to keep a firehouse looking professional 24/7. So, and then as far as the aspect of our actual daily fire job, every time we get a fire run, with the new cancer policies and stuff, so we come back and we wash our gear. So that's all based off the state chemicals too. There's a cleaner, and then there's a smell good type that goes into it that actually helps get some of that kind of that carcinogen, nasty smoke smell out of that gear and kind of freshen it back up. So, and then even going further, our truck wash, keeping our apparatuses looking in pristine condition the best we can. So every aspect of our daily work here as far as cleaning, keeping the station maintained is through State Chemical. I think having everything labeled, ready to go, all they gotta do is fill up a bottle. I think it's very beneficial to have inside a firehouse is some type of system that makes it simple, easy tasks. When you need something, you order it. It's not a go to Walmart and this person picks this chemical, this gets this person because they like this. It's very simple driven. This is what you're gonna use and this is how you're gonna do it. So I think it makes it very nice.